Now question of the day, our motto determine f of x domain of given function under root 4 minus x plus under root x minus 3. Okay, then so first of all I know that 4 under root 4 minus x is greater than equal to 0, then with that one define. So you can say that x minus 4 is less than equal to 0. Why? If multiply by sign minus, then we got sign change. Okay, equality is change. If multiply minus, then equality are change. So you can say that x less than equal to 4. Okay, after that you can say that minus infinity to plus 4 as close interval, because greater than equal to sign, equal sign equal here, that's why. Now look, x minus 3, that one is defined is greater than equal to 0, so x is greater than equal to 3, so x from close interval 3 to infinity. Okay, 3 to infinity means that part, and correspond that one 4 to in minus infinity to 4, like that one. Okay, so basically our motto, for which value of x that whole function defined, means which value of x, the common part of x, these two are defined. So corresponding to that one 3 to infinity, and here minus infinity to 4, like that one. So common part of these. So you can say the domain is close interval 3 to 4 close interval. I hope so clear.